Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I see you found the About page, which tells me one thing about you already, that you're actually willing to seek and find the information that is going to change your situation. Most people, the reason they never free themselves from their current situation or improve themselves in their lives is because they don't even look or seek that type of guidance to be able to put them in a better position. You're doing that, and you found the Tailors Code. The Tailors Code is a university and network for the ultimate professional. Why professionals? Because professionals do things until they cannot get it wrong. They are competent, they are in control, and they make money as a professional. We don't want amateurs, and we don't develop amateurs. Amateurs are willing to do things right one time and then give up and act like it's okay. No. We're going to produce the best talent, the best sales professionals, the best investors, the best money makers in the world. Inside of the Tailors Code, you're going to be able to learn from people that are in the top of their field, whether it's with crypto, whether it's with e-commerce, whether it's in sales and business. You're going to learn from people who've done what they do at the highest levels possible. That's what you need. Those are the type of people you need to learn from. When was the last time your professor made $1 million? When was the last time your professor pulled up in an AMG GT or a Ferrari or a Lamborghini or a McLaren? They haven't. So clearly they don't know how to do the things they're teaching you at the highest levels possible. This is what we offer. Okay, whether it's with Bobby in e-commerce, whether it's me in crypto, whether it's me in sales, you're going to learn from people who are elite in their industries. Just in my second full year as an agency and brokerage owner, I did $2.5 million in business. So elite, high-level individuals, people that are actually making money, okay? So inside of the community, what can you expect? A couple of things. We're going to get you started on the first page, where there's multiple different channels to have different discussions about things. You have the general discourse, you have the wins, people posting how much money they're making. I mean, I'll just give you an example real quick. Boom, $7,000 commission check, boom. Investment profits, $7,000 commission check, boom, right? Back to back to back. Another one right here, bang. Okay? So people showing their wins, people showing the money that they're making, crypto plays, investments that we're making, opportunities to actually get in before the crowd so that you can make the money off of the hype after it happens. Not like you who sees things after they're already blown up or on the news and you lose the money and you're the exit liquidity for the people that are investing in the beginning. Bang. E-commerce channel, sales channel, business and leadership, fitness, right? Tracking fitness progress, posting runs, posting gym pictures, actually developing and creating a better lifestyle for yourself. Inside of the classroom, you got multiple different ways to learn, okay? You have the ultimate sales professional, the archives, one-on-one calls with Bobby, private crypto plays, our private group where we're actually posting the investments that we're making at the time that we're making them so that you can have the opportunity that we're going to see. Learning things about Bitcoin, no-cost courses to actually get you started, learning the basics of crypto, understanding what a blockchain is, understanding a liquidity pool, understanding the different ways to make money. Free courses on e-commerce, credit score, how to actually develop and create a credit history for yourself so you can leverage debt in order to make more money for yourself. These are the things that you need to learn and know in order to put yourself in situations financially where you can actually do what the rich do. And there's a reason that the rich get richer. It's because they understand how money works and they understand how to make more. These are the things that we teach you inside. So all of these things from day one are going to give you an opportunity to make money, whether it's building your own e-commerce store, investing, getting into sales, learning how to do sales. And if you're actually competent and you do well, puts you in a sales opportunity because we have connections to be able to get you hired in multiple different industries so you can actually start working and make money in sales. These are the type of connections that we have. These are the sort of things that we're going to do for you. On the calendar, you'll see 4 times a week we're meeting live on YouTube for Q&A and doing teaching. We're teaching you about markets. We're teaching you about sales. We're teaching you about mindset. We're teaching you about taxes. We're teaching you about e-commerce. 4 meetings per week live on YouTube, Q&As, where you can actually interact with the mentors and develop yourself live, learn live, and get your questions answered live. Multiple calls during the week. And then when you get with your individual professors and the mentors that you're going to be working with, whether it's in e-commerce, whether it's in crypto or business and sales, then you can actually one-on-one work with those people on Zoom calls and continue to improve yourself and educate yourself on what you want to do. These are the things that we're doing inside. I'm not going to go much deeper into it than that. Otherwise, you know what it is. Enroll now. Get in as quickly as possible because as every single milestone is hit in terms of our membership count and it gets more and more and more competitive to be able to get our time, we're going to continue to increase the premium for the subscription. Understand, The more people that want it, as demand goes up and supply is the same, the price will go up. So the sooner that you join, you will lock in your rate for the rest of your life. The later that you join, the more that you're going to pay. So the decision is yours. I'm sure you don't want to pay more for something that you don't have to, right? So I suggest you get inside right now, connect with one of the mentors, and start making money with us.